Okay, backtesting. Basically, you want to go up here to the little spot glass. You want to push that in, strategy tester. You want to put an indicator you want to use, or you can do an expert advisor, either or. I'm going to use super signals, Euro USD, and for the model, you want to put every tick. You could use the data from a certain point until a certain point, but I'm just going to leave that box unchecked. The period, 5 minutes, 1 hour, whichever you want to do. I'm going to do 5 minutes. The spread, leave current. And just click start. Wait for that green bar to load up. It's loading the data from the chart. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to take the grid off and set up your candles as you would a normal chart. Bull candle green, bear candle red. Get back to it. Okay. And just pretty much wait and let it do its thing. If you want to, you can plot some trend lines out. See if that works for you. Plot some more trend lines in there. See how it works. Okay, as you can see, it respected our trend line here that we just made. It respected it a lot, actually. See if it keeps going up or not. That's why it's very important to plot your trend lines correctly, because a correct trend line could mean a good trade or a bad trade, basically. And how you make a trend line, just go ahead from a low point to another low point, anything like that. I wouldn't, let me see, what I do right here. I wouldn't do it right there. Well, you can. Let's just see how it goes. It made a little A unknowingly. Okay, still respecting our trend line. It did not start to go down yet. It respected our trend line. You might have to reposition it. Just so you get the feel for it. It doesn't have to be on this point because this trend line already caught it. So it doesn't have to connect with this point. As long as it hits a point. 1, 2. This one hit 1, 2, 1, 2. As long as it hits a point. You could even put one right there, maybe. Just put one right there. And it made actually, I didn't even see this. It made actually a pitchfork. There's 1, 2. 3 legs to the pitchfork. That actually made a nice looking pitchfork. So you can trade off of that. As you can see, we got some tools up here. Actually, can see if we can find a pitchfork. Okay, and just pitchfork. So we got a nice looking pitchfork that we got here. You know, but we're not gonna use that one. And if respecting our pitchfork a lot, I like that. And this is the 5-minute chart, so we can go ahead and see how many pips we be up. We be up 20 pips right now. I predict at least, I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep clicking that button. I predict at least a 28 pip move. Let's see. It's going to keep going up. It's going to bounce off this pitchfork line and it's going to come back down. It's already going up on the uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hit our middle line of our pitchfork. See if it goes to our next level or not. Okay, you can pull this down actually if you need some more space to look at the chart. Okay, it's going to our next level. Okay, and you'd be up 35 pips. When you see this arrow here, that's a good sign to go ahead and get out of the trade. It's going to go down soon, so go ahead and get out of the trade. Get out of the trade. And it's starting to go down. Now, it might go down. It might bounce off this one. Or it might go to this one and bounce off. Let's just see the bounces. But seeing as though it's already in this level, I don't see why I wouldn't just go ahead and complete that leg. But let's go ahead and see. Okay, now the chart is saying that it wants to complete it. It's going to go ahead and complete it like I predicted. It's going to go ahead and complete that. And you'd be up 40 pips right now. It's damn sure time to get out. 40 pips. I'll take that. And it completed that leg. Alrighty. Now it's going to bounce off of that one because this is a pretty good top trend line right there. It's going to bounce off that for sure. Okay, now it's going ahead and go down like I predicted again. Now you'd use the same method on any chart, daily, hourly, 4 hour, 15-minute, whatever chart you're using, use trend lines. Except for the 1-minute chart, I don't like to use that because I don't like the 1-minute chart at all. Too much going on. And it's going to come back down here. And And that's pretty much how you use the back testing.